Top 7 Best Woodworking Bench in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Ramya Finish It Yourself 1500 Workbench. If you love the idea of a DIY workbench, but can't quite bring yourself to tackle the whole project, this beechwood bench from Ramya, a family-owned Czech company, strikes a nice balance. Once you put it together, all you'll need to do is set up the vise jaws, sand down some edges, and, if you choose, add an optional clear stain. You can arrange the vises for either left or right-handed orientation, and the bench comes with 4 steel dogs. A shelf at the bottom provides plenty of storage, too. It measures 61 inches long by 25 inches wide, which gives you a generously sized work area. And at 97 pounds, it's solid enough that it won't wobble. Number 6. Husky 46-inch tool chest with hardwood top. This streamlined chest is so attractive and useful that some fans like to showcase it inside their homes to hold items like kitchen tools and craft supplies. The top is made from solid wood and measures 46 inches wide and 24.5 inches deep, and the powder-coated finish will resist rust. As a workbench, it can support up to 1,200 pounds, and each of the 9 drawers can support up to 100 pounds. The drawers have ball bearings to help them open and close smoothly, as well as thick liner mats to protect the finish from scratches. There's a key lock that secures all the drawers simultaneously, which is ideal if you need to keep young children away from sharp objects or household chemicals. Other useful perks include a power strip, USB port, cord holder, and handle to help you guide it easily around your space. Number 5. Bora Tool Centipede Workstand. This piece might look like a modern art sculpture, but it's actually a handy, versatile item for your workshop that sets up in seconds and requires no assembly. It comes in different sizes, and this one allows you to create a workstand that is 30 inches high and measures 4 feet by 8 feet when open. It weighs 31 pounds and can support up to 6,000 pounds without any flexion in the legs. There are also risers, which are sold separately, that can elevate it to 36 inches. The P-tops are coated with a polymer substance so they won't scratch your projects. The Centipede comes with its own storage bag, as well as clamps and X-cups that attach to the P-tops, which can hold lumber either vertically or horizontally. Number 4. WORX Pegasus Plastic Workbench. This plastic and steel workbench weighs just 25 pounds and can fold flat when it's not being used. You can even tuck it under a bed if you're tight on space. It uses the WORX integrated clamping system, and you can attach other products, like a second matching tabletop, if you want more room to it as well. The worktop measures 31 x 25 inches, and it's 32 inches tall. There are also built-in channels for clamps as well as slots for bench dogs, and the tabletop has a 300-pound capacity. It can also double as a sawhorse, and when set up that way, the maximum load is 1,000 pounds. Those who tend to be klutzy will appreciate the slow-folding safety mechanism, which is designed to protect fingers from unexpected pinches. Number 3. ShopFox D3640 Tool Table. This bench is on the smaller side. It can handle projects both small and large. With a 1.25-inch thick butcher block tabletop measuring 40 x 14 inches, there's plenty of room to add extras such as a wood lathe, scroll saw, or sander. The bench itself weighs only 32 pounds, so it's easy to move around your workspace, and the maximum capacity is 700 pounds. But don't let the low weight fool you. The frame profile has flared legs and arch cross braces that provide serious stability, and the rubber feet can be adjusted to match an uneven surface. Number 2. Gladiator Adjustable Hardwood Workbench. If you're going to have woodworkers of multiple heights sharing a workbench, it makes sense to choose one with a tabletop that can move up and down. The height on this ADA-compliant option adjusts from 27.5 to 40.8 inches and comes with either white or granite legs made from welded steel. It measures 6 feet across and has a maximum weight capacity of 3,000 pounds. The top is made from hardwood that measures nearly 2 inches thick, and the wood has been treated with a sealant to help protect it from chemical stains. It also has leveling legs at the bottom that allow it to be adjusted up to 1.25 inches, so you won't have to worry about wobbles. Number 1. Craftsman 2000 Series 72-inch Butcher Block Workbench. Why shouldn't your garage or workshop be not just functional, but also great looking? That's what you'll get with this sleek-looking red steel bench topped with a 1-inch thick butcher block countertop. From the Craftsman 2000 series, this workbench weighs a solid 95 pounds and strikes the right balance of attractiveness, sturdiness, and reasonable affordability. The workbench is 72 inches wide, 41.25 inches tall, and 24 inches deep. That's a lot of room for setting up various power tools, toolboxes, and projects in progress. There's a metal backsplash that keeps your tools from rolling off the back of the bench as well. Although the height of the table is not adjustable, it does have leveling feet, so you can adjust each leg individually should your floor be uneven. The bench does not include storage drawers or cabinets, but you can opt to add 2 of Craftsman's matching rolling cabinets underneath. The weight capacity of the bench is 1,450 pounds, which is more than adequate for the average dyer or woodworker. It does require assembly, but the task is fairly straightforward and counts as your first DIY task with your new workbench. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best woodworking bench in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.